This always-on censor group reports urgent news. Pakistan has launched a sudden airstrike on Kabul, Afghanistan. Late at night, there were 2 explosions in the center of Kabul, followed by intense gunfire. The Taliban and Afghan government sent troops to search vehicles and block key intersections. In parts of Afghanistan, mobile phones are down while drones and fighter jets fly overhead. Taliban spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid reported explosions in Kabul, assured all is well, and urged Afghans to stay calm. The Pakistani-Taliban leader, whose group has conducted attacks in Pakistan and Afghanistan, was reportedly killed in this airstrike after the recent attack in Pakistan. Pakistani-Taliban leader Nurwali Mehsud was killed when the Pakistani Air Force blew up his vehicle near Abdul Haq Square. The Pakistani-Taliban is an organization that aims to overthrow the Pakistani government and establish a state governed by Islamic law in Pakistan. Yesterday, the Pakistani-Taliban clashed with the Pakistani military. There was an incident where the Pakistani-Taliban ambushed Pakistani soldiers who were on a reconnaissance mission near the Afghan border, resulting in the deaths of 19 Pakistani soldiers. At that time, a lieutenant colonel and a major were also killed, which caused a great shock. It appears that this was a retaliatory attack. Since Pakistan carried out an airstrike on the Afghan capital, the situation will likely worsen. A direct attack on Kabul, Afghanistan's capital, was rare. International tensions are now inevitable. As military tensions rise between the two countries, South Asia's security is becoming unstable. Experts are also paying attention to the possibility that this situation could signal a power reshuffle within Islamic extremist organizations. Nurali Mehdi's death has created a power vacuum in the Tehrik-i-Taliban Pakistan, and analysts warn of possible internal conflict and retaliation over choosing a new leader. Kabul residents say the city feels like a battlefield as they anxiously listen to sounds from the sky. The streets are dark, and the night, filled with sirens and explosions, is tense and frightening. It's unclear if this incident will remain a single military action or escalate into a full conflict between Pakistan and the Taliban. The international community is watching the airstrike's aftermath and upcoming responses. Sensitive will keep delivering the latest local reactions promptly and accurately. We'll upload a video if there are more updates. Thank you.